So Sara, when you do take a break from acting for a couple of years, जब आप screen पे हमें नहीं नजर आ रही होती हैं, तो आप क्या कर रही हो?
So when I'm not acting, what I mainly do is focus on my daughter, because she has a life and which I have to manage. So it's very time consuming. But I've also been, since the past couple of years, I've been working on a couple of things of my own.
Acha, can we know what?
So I'm working on.
You want to say?
No, I don't.
You don't hint. No hints.
I'm gonna wait till it just happens, because I believe पहले से नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
Is it music? I actually know. I'm not going to say, but I'm very excited for you.
Yeah.
Achha, and being a mother is full time.
So that's what I do. Well, you know, and that's what you can do. You can just use your brain to come up with things, and so
and you're an artist, so you're always thinking.
Exactly.
Okay. What about you, Bilal?
Well, I think if I have taken a break, it's probably spending time with family. And at the same time, obviously, you know, spending time behind the camera on a little production house that I have with Ehtisham Bhai.
What's it called?
Beehive Transmedia.
Achha.
So we've been working on, like, I was telling Sara this, we've been working on a bunch of scripts for the last, since COVID. And now I think since they're ready, we are going to now take them into production. We're working on one project, which is a series and a film. So let's see how that pans out. But so कुछ ना कुछ चल ही रहा होता है ब्रेक में भी, you know.
तो आप लोग रूटीन में रहते हैं जब आप ब्रेक में होते हैं? Like you wake up early and वो सारी नहीं?
So I wake up early regardless. So
no, I've always been like. I've always been an owl in that sense. I always slept late, always woken up late. I don't know how I went to school, but now even, by the way, school duties, because I have school duties.
Yes.
Because of my daughter. So wo bhi literally, I told her dad, I was like, I can't wake up in the morning. You're taking her to school.
So did you do pick and drops?
I did for like a year or two, and I was like, I cannot do this.
At least you're honest.
Yeah,
I love it. We're going to take a tiny bit of break, and we're going to come right back with Bilal Ashraf and Sara Yusuf. Acha, can you describe to me, Sara, a moment in your career where you felt very close to a character, a profound connection with the character? कोई ऐसा किरदार आपने अदा किया जिससे आपको आप connect हो गए उससे और आपकी जिंदगी में impact आया?
मैं अपने सारे characters के साथ connected होती हूँ.
अच्छा.
Yes, I have to. I think somewhere in my mind, if I don't feel the character in a way where I can't mix the two, मुझे वो character फिर समझ में भी नहीं आता ज़्यादा. So you'll always find a bit of me in all my characters.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think my last character that I played, which was Arzu in Sinf-e Ahan, I think I was I was pretty much Arzu on set all the time.
अच्छा, थोड़ी method हो गई आप उसमें.
Because there were also like 5-6 other actors, so you kind of have to stay in your character, because it's very easy to snap out of it when you're like laughing and having a good time. So I realized much later that I was mostly just being Arzu, because
you beat someone up in a scene, right?
I beat a boy up.
You beat a boy up. Did you feel really like empowered?
So I no. I felt really bad, and I told Nadeem Bhai, because he was the director, Nadeem Beg. So I went to him and I was like, Nadeem Bhai, kya karna hai? And you know, like I'll fake it, and you know, and he's like, no, beta.
No, you beat him up.
Yeah, he's like, you go. He actually. Yes, and then I apologized to him so much afterwards. But
have you been beaten up in roles? I have. I'm very against it. I have been
slapped by Bishrapa, and she's hated it, and it's fine.
Like, did she go for it?
She went for it a couple of times.
Oh gosh. Oh wow. But we've all the heroine,
and then we would hug each other after that.
And you know, like we've got guys. हमारे काफी scenes में कोई भी मेरा एक personal जो approach है, मैं उसको back story एक देती हूँ, the who, why, what, when. I think that's really helpful. आपकी क्या approach है to give it a back story? Or what approach do you have?
सबसे पहली approach होती है कि मुझे रोमन में script चाहिए होती है.
फिलहाल क्या कह रहे हैं आप?
मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा time लगता है जब अगर मुझे उर्दू की script मिलती है, but I feel कि meaning भी change हो जाता है. So पहली चीज तो ये होती है. उसके बाद what I do is that I just sit with the director, and because होता क्या है कि sometimes मैंने देखा जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा अपनी बैक स्टोरीज, मेरे साथ तो ये हुआ है कि बैक स्टोरी बना ली, सब कुछ कर लिया, अब सेट पे पहुंचे तो स्टोरी चेंज हो जाती है, बैक फ्रंट सारी स्टोरी चेंज होती है. सो नाउ आई स्टॉप थिंकिंग, यू नो, कि ऐसे करना है, वैसे करना है, just you know, just sit with the director and that's it. He's the captain of the, or she's the captain of the you know, ship, and that's about it.
Okay. I wanna get mad at you about the Roman thing. Do you also Romanize your script?
No, I read Urdu.
Thank you. Can I show off? So मेरी पूरी schooling except for O levels, क्योंकि मैं आधे O levels के लिए पाकिस्तान आई, फिर मैं वापस कनाडा चली गई. कनाडा में थी, मुझे उर्दू नहीं पढ़नी आती थी. उन O levels के भी 1.5 साल में मैं उर्दू बी ली, जो मेरे स्कूल ने कहा प्लीज ड्रॉप कर दें, इट्स embarrassing for us. जब मैं इंडस्ट्री में आई और मैंने अपनी माँ से कहा कि मैं अलिफ बे वगैरह तक थी, बहुत तोड़ के पढ़ना, उनसे कहा आप रोमनाइज करें. एंड शी सेड ये एक बहुत बड़ी इंसल्ट है तुम्हारी माँ पे कि तुम ये नहीं करती. और वो दिन आई थिंक 10 साल हो गए कि मैं सारी स्क्रिप्ट्स उर्दू में पढ़ती हूँ.
वाह,
थैंक यू.
उर्दू में मैं पढ़ता हूँ, मुझे टाइम ज्यादा लगता है.
मुझे भी टाइम लगता है. पहली दफा पढ़ने में थोड़ा होता है, फिर दूसरी दफा. लेकिन उर्दू में जब अंग्रेजी के लफ्ज होते हैं ना, दैट्स डिफिकल्ट, बिकॉज़ देन यू लाइक व्हाट इज इट. सो व्हाट्स योर अप्रोच टू अ कैरेक्टर व्हेन यू साइन समथिंग? कोई रिचुअल है?
No ritual as such. I think I have to feel it. जब आपको कैरेक्टर सुनाया जाए, जब आपको स्टोरी सुनाई जाए, if I feel it, even if I'm not in the headspace, I will feel excited about it. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I get what you're saying. But आप उसकी soul में कैसे आते हैं, उस कैरेक्टर की development? जैसे
I think, like he said, you have to be very connected with your director.
Yeah.
If you're not connected with your director, और आप जो भी सोच लें और आप आके सेट पे करें, your director might just be like, let's do it this way now, and you'll be like, okay.
फिर आप फंस जाते.
So you have to do it that way then.
Yeah.
Right? And I feel I do really well with a director that speaks to me about the character as often, keeps telling me,
reminding you
yes.
कि ये, और ये बहुत अच्छे डायरेक्टर्स ही करते हैं.
I mean, the journey of the character, you know, because of course, especially in a drama, it's a very haphazard way का scene shoot होते हैं. So a good director will remember, will take you. I mean, you as an actor also have to remember, but still, it's
आपको थोड़ा सा, you know, like before every scene you do, you have to have an understanding of the backstory of what's just happened, what's about to happen. You know, so I think a good director,
and I like that you said it's haphazard, because हम अक्सर जब ड्रामा शुरू करते हैं, लोगों को नहीं पता कि हम उस तरह से नहीं शूट करते जैसे कि आप लोग देख रहे हैं. शूटिंग कई दफा मिडिल से होती है स्टोरी के, हम लोकेशंस के हिसाब से शूट करते हैं. सो जब आप एक ड्रामा अगर शूट कर रही हैं और उसके क्लाइमैक्स से शुरू हो रही है स्टोरी, सो फिर उसको आप कैसे मैनेज करती हैं कि आपको वापस जाना है, एंड यू हैव टू रिमाइंड योरसेल्फ कि इस कैरेक्टर की जर्नी क्या थी और इस जोन में लाने के लिए?
I think there are also certain days for an actor where you just do as you're told and you don't think about it.
I'll be honest.
With those days, you just say, okay, this is what I gotta do. I'm gonna do this right now.
Yeah, I agree. Sometimes I also tell my director, I can't
think about it. If you're starting right in the middle of somewhere, then you're like, okay, how can I do the scene best?